We're getting ready for a refurbish today. Today, one of our large commercial accounts is getting a makeover. We're refurbishing all of our equipment here today because after 10 years, it's been pretty beat up. So it's time for us to come in and give this account a good makeover. All at no additional cost to our client. I want to repeat that. No additional cost to our client. This is a higher elevated level of service that we provide for all of our clients. I don't care how big you are. We're gonna make sure our equipment's looking good and you're taken care of. So we complete our end of that service agreement by maintaining your equipment properly. Let's get it done today. Woo! Bring it on in. Here comes our equipment. Hey, I'm shooting video. Watch the language.
For example, here, I'm not going to put anything here. I'm going to put a narrow one here.
Yeah, exactly, because they got the delivery carts coming down here. So you got it. Dude, remember all the effort we spent putting those things in? Oh my gosh. Hey, what's even funnier, Joe, is we have to do through that, but one delivery driver will go by and rip up the whole thing instantly in one shot. Like, what the heck? Oh, that's so much better, Jairo. Yep. So much better. All right, so we're about 3/4 of the way through our refurbish. We've gotten our first level interior rodent equipment all replaced, refurbished, and looking sweet. We're doing second level, and then what we have left, as you can see behind me, is we have our exterior base stations. That one's probably our fun one, and we save it for the end because, well, it's the fun one. We get to hop in the back of the pickup truck, drive around the facility, and swap out, move out, replace, change, and clean up our bait stations so that we have them more adjusted for the way this service has developed. They're looking more presentable for our client and their guests. And of course, we're making sure they're functioning well and in the correct spots. So here we go. Let's get it done today. Yeah, refurbished done?
Yeah.
Yes. All the equipment look good?
Perfect.
Yeah, Joe? Better? Good to go?
The best.
All right. Standard raised? Nice job, boys. Thank you.